Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech House. Today we are comparing two latest smartphones, the Samsung Galaxy A17 5G and Xiaomi Redmi 15 5G. Let's see this full video. First, compare the body features. Galaxy A17 comes with an IP54 rating and the Redmi 15 comes with an IP64 rating. Next, compare display features. Redmi 15 comes with 6.9 inches IPS LCD display and the Galaxy A17 comes with 6.7 inches Super AMOLED display. Hardware features. Galaxy A17 is powered by the Exynos chipset and the Redmi 15 comes with the Snapdragon chipset. Camera features. Next, compare the battery features. Let's compare the sound and other features. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.